Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily download Zoom recordings using just an extension. So, let's jump into the video. First, open your web browser and click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on Extensions and then select Web Store. In the search bar at the top, type Zoom Easy Downloader. Click on the first result. Then click Add to Brave. In my case, Add to Brave because I use the Brave browser. You should see the option specific to your browser. After the installation, go to your Zoom recording link and double-click it. This will take you directly to the recording. Once the countdown finishes, right-click on the video and select Save As. Select the location where you want to save the recording and choose a name for the file. And there you have it. Now you can download Zoom recordings anytime you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Take care and happy customizing.